In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to fix vertical paper stains on your Epson EcoTank printer. So in today's video, guys, I'm using an ET-2900 series printer. However, guys, if you have a different printer, that should be okay. We will be using the control panel on our screens here to fix this issue. Now, what is likely happening is that there is some ink that has kind of gotten loose, or there's still some wet ink or something like that inside the paper flow process. So when your print is going through, some of that is probably rubbing off on your paper and isn't getting your prints looking nice and normal. So let's fix this issue, guys. Epson have provided us a guide on our printer on how to fix this. So we want to press the home screen, guys, and we want to make sure our printer is on, and we want to make sure we have some paper ready to fix this issue. So we want to go all the way back to print failure. So find print failure on your home screen on your Epson EcoTank and press OK. So we're going to scroll all the way down, guys, to vertical paper stains. We'll press OK again. And Epson have provided us a solution, which is to clean the paper path. So press OK, guys. And it's going to clean the paper path, guys, by running some paper through your printer without printing anything. So it's going to pick up any ink that has been left behind. So press OK. And press OK again, and then you want to press start here. So now, guys, as you can see, it's going to run some paper through. And guys, if it picks up any ink, then I would suggest running this again and again until there is no more ink. If you find yourself running this process like 10 times, then there is definitely a wider issue with your EcoTank. There's probably something gone wrong inside the printer, like the print heads might have broken, or there's a leak or something like that. In that case, guys, I would unfortunately suggest taking it to an Epson store or something where they can help you out, because that will likely require some manual maintenance. But guys, that is it for today. If you did find this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, as that would help us out very, very much. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.